office. Smell.
I really want to know how to teach a cat to do this.
Are you talking about the foster kids?
This is no longer just a cat. This is an official roommate.
No. No.
An orange cat that doesn't hate rules. Fake orangery.
Side. Oh my goodness. No, you can't. Sorry.
I'm sorry. I know I'm sorry. I know I'm really sorry. Oh, I'm sorry.
You're adopted.
Thank you. You're so sweet.
The dates to watch are July 15th and August 5th. Want to see how this plays out? Follow us. Trump wanted to buy 1 million bitcoins. What happened? 2025, Senator Lummis introduced the Bitcoin Act. The law says...
Hello? 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 Are you okay? No.
What did you just say? Milo, what are you doing? That's just water spots.
Milo, he thinks there's something underneath. Look at him go.
You're not going to get anywhere, buddy.
Determined little guy, huh?
All right, that's enough. Leave the table alone.
You said hello? What's up, Sting? You just said hello? What's up, son?
What? No. Come cuddle. Come here. Come here right now. Right now. Ripley.
Meh?
Meh? Meh?
Do you want food?
Say gracias. Gracias.
This time it's just the tone. Next time.
What is it? Oh my goodness.
Relax, buddy. Your owner's just taking a shower. It's not that scary.
No.
Alright, he's usually not this bad in the morning, but today is exceptional. Krieger. Why are you so bad? I've never heard that noise come out of you.
Say good morning. What? She be talking to me, I swear. What, Punky? What? Bitch, I will come for you.
What do you say? Thank you.
Perhaps this is the most polite cat in the universe.
Gordon, you know you're not allowed on the table. You know you're not allowed up there. Come on. Come on. Get down.
That's not how you get up here, silly.
Broccoli, apples, pears,
We're getting closer
bananas,
to the bilingual cat.
carrots, chicken.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Are you sleepy? Yes.
Are you hungry? How about some tuna?
You give me.
Steve, it's bedtime. Steve, bedtime. Bedtime. Steve, you know it's bedtime.
I scratch your back. You scratch mine.
But you know what this is? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Yep, it's ham.
Perhaps the cat is seeing some kind of creature on the wall.
Hi. Good girl.
If you're happy and you know what, say meow. If you're happy and you know what, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know what, say meow. Good.
Are you hungry?
Mama. Mama.
Who dares to say cats can't talk
Mama.
now?
There you go, Willow. Good girl. Hold on, buddy. Yours is coming. Patience. Almost done.
No. 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 Sure, I'll pet you. But no treats.
哎呦！都做好了，跟我学啊，然后是啊。
For me, speaking Chinese is very difficult, but it seems like it's not for this cat. The cat is calling its mom to open the door.
What? 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 Really? No way.
Yeah? What do you think? It's getting rid of your tinkles. Yeah.
Come here, come say hi. Hug, please. Thank you. Oh, honey. You hungry?